everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So yes, I'm here to share with you guys an awesome deal that Target does only once a year, and it is where you guys can get 10% back of what you buy in Target gift cards. It's only for Target gift cards. So this deal is for Sunday, December 8th only. You guys just go to the store and you guys can buy up to $300 worth of gift cards and you will get $30 additionally back. So if you guys want, you can buy $10 and you'll only get a dollar gift card of a bonus. You can buy $25 of gift cards and get $2.50. Buy 50, get 5, get 100. Or buy 100, get 10, buy 200, get 20, buy 300, get 30. So you guys can buy, if you want to buy $39.95 worth of gift cards, go ahead and do that and you'll get what? I don't even know what you guys would get. But you guys, you guys will get $3.95 back in a gift card. So this is what I usually like to do because with the Target red card, you only get 5% off of what you guys purchase. So you guys can pay with the Target red card. You just do not get the additional 5% off. So if you guys want to get a $100 gift card, you will not get that additional 5% like usually you can do. But you just buy a $100 gift card, you get $10 of additional gift card back. Now, the good thing about this is they do have Target Circle. So you guys can actually buy a gift card for yourself. This is what we do. We try to figure out how much we spend in a year. We usually spend maybe about $200 at Target. And you use that gift card, and then you guys can get an additional 1% back for everything that you buy with Target Circle. You don't get anything back with the red card, but with Target Circle, you do get, 1% off. So that even adds up to that. So just wanted to give you guys a quick little, deal. This is an awesome deal. I've done this 3 or 4 times. They've done this. So it is a great deal. But I just wanted to share with you guys on that. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. Comment below if you guys done this deal. But I think it's a great deal. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.